Welcome to Be Your Own Guide. This is day 29 of the 30-day evening meditation series. Congratulations, you have made it through another day. And now you are here, ready to soften, to unwind, and to let go. So settle into a comfortable position, gently closing your eyes or softening your gaze, letting your jaw unclench, letting the shoulders drop a little, and take a deep inhale into the belly, into the pelvic floor, and exhale slowly through the mouth. With a sigh, letting it all go, feeling yourself arrive in the here, in the now, in your being, in your body. Another deep inhale inside, into the belly, pelvic floor. And exhale through the mouth. Letting it all go, letting it all go, letting it all go. Bring your awareness now to your feet, to your legs, the heaviness of your hips, and notice the contact your body makes with the surface beneath it, allowing the gravity to gently hold you in its embrace. No need to carry the day anymore. You can just let go, let go, let go. Feel into the support from the surface beneath you, from the earth's gravity holding you. And gently bring awareness to the spine, the chest, back of the neck. And as you inhale softness, softness, softening every single cell in your body. And as you exhale any and all tensions, worries, tightness, stress. Simply exhale it, nothing to hold anymore, nothing to do anymore. Exhale it all out, let it go. Inhaling with every single breath, a little bit of ease and softness. And exhaling any and all tense sensations, stress, tightness. As your breath flows in and out, allow the events of the day to fade away. The breath flows in and out in its natural rhythm, and the events of your day begin to fade away. Whatever happened today, maybe some things left undone, maybe some words said or unsaid. None of it needs to come with you into the night. You can bid them all farewell, and with the next inhale, maybe gently say these words or let them land in you. Inhale, I let go. Exhale, I am here. Inhale, I let go. Exhale, I am here in the now, in this moment. Once again, inhale, I let go, I let go, I let go. Exhale. I am here. I am in the now. I am in this moment. Present, open, spacious. And allow yourself to feel into this spaciousness, this openness, the spacious openness of letting go and just being here in the now, in the present. Notice how your breath must have slowed down, how your body probably feels a little more settled. And if thoughts return, that's okay. Acknowledge them, notice them, let them be. And you bring your focus back to your body, to the breath, to the here and now in this present moment. In this moment, here and now, you are safe to rest. You are allowed to relax and ease. You can be right here, right now, for as long as you need to be. Staying with the breath, the natural rhythmic in and out of the breath. Staying with the body, the gentle rising and falling of the belly of the body as the breath comes in and it moves out. Now I invite you to repeat softly after me, within or out loud, or maybe just let these words land in your being. I release this day. I let go. I release this day, now and here in this moment. I am not defined by what I did or didn't do. Good, bad, ugly, nothing defines me. I now allow my body to rest and recuperate. I welcome the quiet and peace within into this night tonight. I fully trust that everything is unfolding just as it should. In this moment, in this here and now, I am grounded, I am rested, I am open, I am safe. Allow your breath to grow even slower if it needs to, as your body continues to soften. From here, if you're ready for sleep, allow yourself to drift away from this meditation into the night's rest, night's peace. And if you're staying awake a little longer, carry this calm, this quiet, this grounded peace with you. Thank you for making space for yourself tonight. Thank you for practicing. Until tomorrow, be your own guide.